Hi, it's Rob from Referabl. I wanted to give you another example of how I utilize the Referabl database, in particular, keeping track of referrals going back and forth. I have a gentleman, I'll just bring this over, who has been looking for a property for some time. He has located this property to see if he can organize some finance for. I'm working with a finance broker on this one. And so I'm simply going to copy um, um, the link for this particular property, and I'm going to go back to the um, the broker who is already working on this. Happens to be a client looking at buying in his self-managed super fund. And I'm simply going to add a comment to an already progressing file. So I don't have to chase the broker and play telephone tag going back and forth. I'm just going to go to the broker and say, here is another property client looking to buy. Looking to buy. The other property has been sold. So what happened was he looked at one last week, but it's been sold. So and then I'll put the link in, and what I'll do is has been sold, and I'll probably just give him the address as well. And I'll update it on, and he gets an email. So I'm communicating with the broker. He now has something to look at. The client's interested, and he will assess that property, see if that is something that that client would qualify for. So there's an example of how I'm using that. I will talk to that broker usually once a week to review how things are going, but I'm not talking to him 15 times every time a client or a third party referrer approaches me. I'm not going to, jump on the phone and all of a sudden waste his time. So I can keep the communication levels rolling. That's it. That was a quick one.